Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to show tabs on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, if you are creating educational content or tutorials, showing tab help audience understand where to tap on the screen, making the instructions clearer and more accessible. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, enter to the settings menu on your device. Well, and here scroll down please, then select about font option. Okay, after that you can tap software information and click on the build number 7 times. After that, here you can go back and select developer options. Then, now you can scroll down until you find the show tabs option. Well, and here you can activate it like this. So, the screen tap on your device is successfully displayed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to enable show tabs on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.